Hi there, hi, good morning everyone. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS, bloating, reflux, painful digestion, any other kind of gut problem you might be experiencing. And of course, any kind of hormone problems that can be related to your gut health as well, and chronic fatigue and things like that. So typically I will support you with lab testing and then diet, lifestyle upgrades, supplements, etc. to bring things nicely back into balance for you and get everything functioning as it should do. So collagen is a really popular supplement at the moment. So I was just going to do a quick run through of the different kinds of collagen that you need to look out for, what sort of supplement you want to go for, how to get plenty of collagen from your diet and help your body synthesize it naturally, and just a general rundown of collagen, what it's useful for, etc. So first up then, there are lots of different kinds of collagen, but the main ones you probably would be looking out for would be type 1, so the type 1 collagen, which is found in all your kind of different connective tissue. Then you've got type 2, which is important for your skeletal joints and your connective tissue and so on, or the cushioning in between your vertebra. And then type 3, which is found in your skin and blood vessels. So if you want to make sure that if you're supplementing, you're making maximum use of the collagen that you're taking, it's best to go for collagen peptides. So collagen naturally would be found in sort of long strands, which can be quite difficult for your body to utilize, but they can hydrolyze it, so they can break it down into much smaller components, which are much easier for your body to absorb. So that's the kind you want really, if you kind of want to maximize the benefits of collagen. So aside from supplements though, there are plenty of ways you can get adequate collagen into your diet. So if you think about collagen as being like the main protein in your body, so you want to be looking at those kind of foods that are also high in protein, specifically anything that is rich in gelatin. So a prime example of this is going to be bone broth. Is a superb source of collagen. It's also found in connective tissue of animals, as it is in, obviously humans as well. So looking at foods such as chicken, pork, beef and fish, and also egg white as well. So if you're not wild about eating all that kind of meaty food, then egg white is a good source for you. While you're eating all this kind of meaty food as well, it's going to be really important to make sure that you're having plenty of vitamin C, because your body needs vitamin C as well to synthesize collagen. So make sure you're getting plenty of citrus fruit, kiwis, broccoli and things like that, because that's all, those kind of foods are all rich in vitamin C as well. So what can collagen help you with specifically? Well, it can be really useful if you're suffering with leaky gut, and quite often we do find that if anyone is suffering with any kind of gut problem, then leaky gut can be a factor as well. It really gets in and supports your gut lining and maintains the integrity of your gut lining. So it can be a really helpful addition to any kind of gut healing protocol. So you could be looking at, supplementing with collagen peptides, or using foods such as bone broth can be very useful as well. If you want to support your skin health, particularly as you're aging, collagen can be really useful for this, because collagen levels actually kind of really reduce as you get older, and that can leave your skin susceptible to dryness and wrinkling, etc. So it has actually been scientifically proven numerous times that collagen supplementation can really help with this. Also bones and joints, it's really can be very useful as well to supplement for this reason. In the same way that your body kind of ages and doesn't produce enough collagen in your skin, the same happens with your bone as well, and your connective tissue, your joints, etc. So supplementing with collagen can really help, and can help to increase your bone mass as well. If you're keen on working out, that's another area it can be really useful. You can really increase your muscle mass as well if you supplement with collagen. So that's another big plus, because of course if you support your muscle mass, then that's really useful in the aging process as well. Not just, it's not important just to support the bone health, but really support the muscle health as well is really critical. So supplement wise though, it's really well tolerated by most people. Obviously if you're allergic to fish or anything, then continue to avoid anything with any marine collagen or anything like that, but other than that, it's super easy to take, and just stir it into hot drinks normally, and you're away. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. If you did, do like and share, and if you'd like more information about gut testing, hormone testing, or one-to-one support, then do just pop me a DM and I can get some info off to you. Okay, see you next time. Bye.